The Allrecipes user who submitted this recipe says, "My mom passed this recipe down to me before she passed away. I've had this dressing since I was a child, and to me, it is the best I've ever tasted. This recipe is not a quick side dish, and it needs a little time and work for prep and cooking, but it is very worth it. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, and add in 1 package of chopped turkey giblets and boil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, remove and discard the giblets, reserving the water. This isn't a crucial step, but it's an awesome hack to get extra flavor into your stuffing with little effort. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook and stir 3 pounds of hot Italian sausage until browned and crumbly, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Add 6 cups of diced celery, or more if you'd like, and 1 large diced white onion, and 1/2 cup of chopped hot peppers if you are in the mood for an extra kick. Omit the hot peppers and replace with bell or mild peppers if you prefer a more mild tasting dressing. Continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes more. Drain and discard grease, and then transfer the sausage mixture to a large mixing bowl. Mix an 8.5-ounce package of corn muffin mix according to the directions on the package. The one we used calls for 1/2 cup of milk and 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons of melted shortening or butter to your cornbread batter. Pour into a greased 8-inch square baking pan. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until it is golden brown. Set aside to cool. Add your giblet water that we talked about earlier and 1 14-ounce can of turkey broth, 1 cup of dry breadcrumbs, the cornbread, remaining eggs, 3 tablespoons of dried sage, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper to the sausage mixture in the mixing bowl. Mix together well and transfer to a greased 9 by 13-inch casserole pan. Bake at 350 degrees until slightly brown on top with darker brown edges, about 45 minutes, checking often, about every 15 minutes. A note from our chefs: this is the basic recipe and will give you a great tasting, moderately spicy dressing. Let us know how you like your dressing in the comment below, and subscribe for more Thanksgiving side dish recipes.